the truth, the facts, fair and balanced and substantiated, especially for this day for social media, where any type of Tom and Jerry, they fit take microphone, begin make noise with social media, they spill things the way them be unsubstantiated, who think say the Ambazonia people them deserve to get presentation will be based on facts, it be based on substantiated evidence, and I will take that mantle for present for una always for this show the truth will happen and the facts without fear and favor. Now me, Capo Daniel, I go on to remind Dangote so that as it dey for Bamenda, he and the colonial officer them, me them begin feel the tremor, the fear for inside their nerves before we go strike them.
Avec à la veille à Galilee, l'attaque.
Now the attack this will be attack Lele Afrique, as I be promised ye a couple of years ago. The ADF, they need the joke. The ADF no be propaganda. We know they only for bub. So as we be attack Lele Afrique for inside Bamenda, now so we go attack Dangote for inside Bamenda. We will show you say now we get Bamenda, now Ambazonia get Bamenda, and we go prevail. So me when I watch the video as I go through for remind the colonial administration, me they know say Southern Cameroon no go ever allow La Republic for rule our territory again. We no go allow them for make propaganda. Even if them go join with infiltrator them, it no go ever work. But once more I play the video for remind them the capability of ADF and what we done do before and what we go do them again. Lele Afrique, no forget.
Avec à la veille à Galilee, l'attaque du commissariat de sécurité publique et la brigade de gendarmerie par une cinquantaine d'individus lourdement armés qui ont assassiné 2 gendarmes, 2 policiers et 8 civils. Puis l'attentat de Bamenda à l'engin.
So that one a prelude for which way it await Dangote for Bamenda. We will remind them say Ambazonia be in control of over 80% of our territory. Dynamically, physically will be control of over 30% of that space. We don't provide for our people them a space where they feel celebrate their nationalism without fear for Cameroon atrocity them. We not see across our national territory from the Atlantic state to the Savannah state how our people they don't come out in their thousand for hold their flag, for sing our national anthem, hail this land of glory, to pay allegiance to their flag and their country, Ambazonia. Our people knows their history, they know their nationality, and they will settle for nothing less than their nationality. Our brave hero, our boys and girls who they fight for inside the forces them. For the ADF, the other forces, the sister forces, the Terminators, all the other forces, the RK forces, the New Alliance, the United Forces for Boyo now, with Gola, General Nyi, and all the forces them, Captain Small Pikin, Sagat, the Mountain Lions, and one the one never called their name, Tabiquifon, all them, we go win La Republic inside our territory. We then drive away all the administrators, propaganda trip by Dangote to change the narrative and give the impression to the international community, say them be in control, it go fail. And indeed, it fail, and we then send that message to the world. So, ladies and gentlemen, before this visit for Dangote it come, we will see say the splinter IG group of Sako and Chris Anu now embedded agents them, and they always prove we right. All normal person it go know say they be declared 2 weeks lockdown preceding this visit for Dangote for Bamenda. Likely the people the way they manipulate them or way they work with them, they be know which way they try to accomplish them for make sure say me Bamenda them be too tired so that when Dangote it go one come, they no go fit be able for lockdown for show the world say no man need to welcome Dangote for town, all man that reject Dangote for town. So a 2 week lockdown, if it don't pass for our town, we don't punish our people enormously. And that 2 weeks lockdown, we for the governing council, the ADF, we reject them. We know if we talk say a lockdown in it exists, we simply reject them because every group get a right, and we as a vanguard will get an obligation when people they take decision where it be based on lies and where they affect areas in particularly a lockdown where be targeted in Bamenda, an area under ADF control, will get the obligation to stand for and defend the integrity. Nevertheless, the lockdown it be hold for 2 weeks. Not be because say what people they know they listen for we, but not because say La Republique du Cameroon be help them for make sure say me they enforce that lockdown upon our people for 2 weeks. And now how La Republique it be do for help them. They declare them as they be as La Republic they use them for declare lockdown. La Republic also they assist them using their own methods them make the lockdown it will be effective. The first thing where La Republic it be do am now say they be send out a communique, a radio announcement for announce and say they don't ban all mami no money to leave Bamenda. If you want to leave Bamenda, you need to take authorization. This later it will be posted for all travel agency them. They be instruct people the way they want travel for go for Douala. Say me they no go for Douala until they take permission. Now through this document where they be stop all travel agency they may no work for Bamenda so that me that lockdown it be effective. But we know very well for ground zero. Say this document it be just been for frighten people them so that me then stay at home. Say lockdown it go day. Even after they be make this one, we come out for tell our people to encourage them. Me then come out for road. We tell our soldier me call our people. They me then come out for road. Me then no fear nothing. Because those enablers them, Chris Anu and Sakowe, they talk say me people then come out for road. They no get any soldier away for Bamenda or for Ambazonia way agree with them or way they will feel interrupt their life. So our people they be supposed to come out again. La Republique du Cameroon then still intervene by sending military vehicles with 70-seater all across Bamenda for strategic places for fighting our people then. So that when they see these images, they see their military, they go to fear the unknown as they know very well the capability of La Republique for kill civilians them without provocation. So now all the tactics this way La Republique will make sure say make our people then stay at home for 2 weeks. So when see say Diongote it announce a visit where they come for Bamenda. All man know right from the beginning of this struggle. Say every time La Republique it is send propaganda minister or did the people that meet they come for our territory, all man they stay for house, lockdown it be automatic, it no be some things where you need consultation. Nevertheless, consultation was done and briefing was done to other stakeholders of the struggle, including humanitarian officers the way they be involved for our territory. But yet, as Sudan declared a lockdown, so that me all man stay for house, me La Republique then get a clear message, say we don't reject the visit of Diongote. When you declare lockdown, it will be difficult for carry out military operation them. But the military operation the would then design them for attack Diongote, it will be specific in view of the lockdown. Now difficult operation them, but as I be sent out my appeal publicly as we do and privately, we invite the Tabequifon for Bafut for Mancon, we invite the 7 Qatars general them, me and all them come who join hand for fight Diongote. So I go give una the report on those preparation and wait till it happen and the result for the ground. I go also give una the report we una already see for the big attack we would attack Diongote a road as it enter inside Bamenda. Now big victory for Ambazonia. The whole war it don't see say nothing no be under control. They go still try to do propaganda for inside Bamenda for Commission Avenue and for Congress Hall. We also we go attack and we will send them message. They go hear for we as a promise una them go indeed here. So ladies and gentlemen, as we declare 3 days lockdown, very important lockdown for stop La Republique du Cameroon from coming and doing this propaganda. Their helper them for Maryland, Chris Anu and Sako, then deny say me no lockdown no day. Say me people they no day only for Commission Avenue and for Fayaba Hotel. We know say that one na just excuse so that they feel hide themselves. Why you go to talk say me there is no lockdown when you know say even if them be locked down, it no go disturb you for nothing. It go actually help you now for help you. Why would they say that? So we know say these people them Chris Anu they help na La Republique. All man for Bamenda una eye them feed open very clearly make una see who they work with La Republique, who they help La Republique. Their only hope now for deceive our people say instead now we ADF would work with La Republique. But when I see say judging for their character and which way they do their influence on the ground, it shows that they help na La Republique. Because when they talk say me people then come for road, me no man know they for lockdown, it go give people them possibility. Me they come for corner road for show like say people they for Bamenda they welcome Diongote Facebook page. It will be widely shared. We inform the people them for hospitals, the bus drivers and everybody. Say me all man stay at home, but La Republique been want me people then come out so that people then feel appear for street like this comfortably. So then use the normal people the way they live with this struggle. Chris Anu for camp for talk say me no lockdown no day, and their ABC TV channel they talk every day say no lockdown, no lockdown. And guess what? How La Republique help them for make no lockdown no day. Them first driver them for Douala say they must come for town for Bamenda And they also go for their local TV radio channel them for play audio like this one here for Ground Zero.
Some people don't deny, they don't move voice, but after deny, they never call no lockdown. No lockdown no day.
So when they hear now the propaganda that way like Republic use them, radio station them, they blast our people them the information, they reinforce Sako their information. So when I know say when radio station for Ambazonia they talk openly, if they support Ambazonia, La Republic go lock them down, they go fight them. So now they hear radio station for Bamenda, government radio station, Makati and all these corny people them, they come out they talk with people, they say lockdown no day. So now because of that information blow will get them where the lockdown will be successful, we are meeting a big challenge that for we, but our people they need to be informed and to be educated about the reality. Say Cameroon it use media as a tool of war against our revolution. They know say na ADF be the most effective force and the most effective group, most organized group, so that they make everything possible for undermine we. When I also remember saying that the news publication this today for the Guardian Post, it talk na say people then visit the receive Diongote enthusiastically, but when I know say all na lie, the war for fake news na for try for undermine the revolution. As we talk, the revolution shall not be televised. So when I see the footages them, our race citizens them, they stand the people than this.